Hi, still investing in cryptocurrency. This is another episode where I buy long-term crypto. I'm showing what's happening to my balance. By watching, you can draw the right conclusion. You need to invest in crypto? I'll remind you that my portfolio currently holds 10 top cryptocurrencies: XRP, Dogecoin, Binance Coin, Ethereum, ADA, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Tron, Solana, and Litecoin. My portfolio is valued at $765. Binance shows me a loss of negative $32, but in reality it's $800. So I lost about $35. My spreadsheet gives a more precise look at the loss. $34.34 currently. I invest passively, buying $100 worth of crypto weekly regardless of the market's direction. There was no episode last week, so I'll buy $200 of crypto in this episode and record it in my spreadsheet. My first goal for the series is $40,000. Here is the goal. 2 weeks ago I was 2% closer to my goal. Today we'll see how much closer I am, and you'll see how my balance fluctuates. I go from $25 in the green to 30 in the red. Currently $35 in the red since the market dropped a little since the last video. And for long-term investors like me, it's advantageous. I'll remind you that in the long term, looking at the larger graph of Bitcoin, for example, see, it's always increasing. This is logarithmic, but normally it looks like this. It's clear that it's always growing over time. If I bought even at the peak in 2017, I would have been in the red for a while, but eventually my balance grew. My balance would have been quite large. So anytime I'm in the red, I'm buying crypto at really low prices. Afterwards, I would have made more on my peak purchases and even more on the ones I bought at the bottom. So the more crypto dips and the longer it stays down, the better for me as a long-term investor, since I persistently buy, regardless of course, until I hit my balance goal. All right, let's go buy. Today we're getting $200 worth of crypto as planned. What's happening in the market? Let's check out each crypto individually. Some are at zero, like Bitcoin, Cash, and Tron. I haven't lost anything on them, didn't lose anything on Ripple either. It even grew a little while ago. I lost a lot in Cardano and Bitcoin though, but I'm buying today. I invested about $50 in everything, but I invested $100 in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Today, according to plan, I'm buying Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Cardano, and Dcoin for $50 each, so I'm not rebalancing my portfolio. Essentially, if I constantly invest $50 in each coin should make up an equal share of my portfolio, but because Bitcoin and Cardano dropped, they now have a smaller share compared to other cryptocurrencies. I won't adjust this difference. This is called rebalancing. I will do it separately in another episode, probably once a year, maybe every 6 months. We'll see. I'll sell coins that have gained a lot and buy those that have dropped. I might remove some coins from my portfolio and add some during rebalancing. I'll remind you that I originally selected the top 10 coins by market cap. Coin Cash, for instance, slightly got out of a dip. Maybe something I had in my portfolio didn't take much. It grew and entered top 10 cryptos. At rebalancing time, I'll remove what fell from top, add what's back in it, but we'll see when I'm doing the rebalance. Now, let's go to spot trading. Yeah, I trade on Binance. That's where I bet on futures. Congrats on the price difference if it goes up or down. That's how I make my investment. On Binance, registration link for Binance Exchange is in the description. Registering with my referral link, you permanently get 10% cashback. That means you always save 10% on commissions. Average trader saves around $200 a month for free. Plus, Binance Exchange is crypto's top one, having the largest volumes, biggest trades, biggest liquidity, meaning you'll always get best prices to buy and sell coins on the market. So you'll be making even more dough because of it if you trade on any other exchange. You'll make more switching to Binance for free, doing the exact same thing, but thanks to the liquidity being the highest with lowest fees plus 10% cashback on all fees, so register an account switch if you already have one. Simply create a new one using the link below. More money for free. Well, I'm gonna make purchases, record them in the sheet, and see what comes of it. Just in the market. Here's the market to buy $50 of BNB. We buy and go on to Cardano. Here we write ADA, ADA USDT. Since my money is in USDT, $50 on ADA, and we move on. XRP for $50. Buy. Only Dogecoin left for $50. By the purchases are done, I'll now record it in the sheet and hello first. Investor mistake. I've looked at what I've invested overall in Bitcoin, Ethereum for $100 starting with Binance Coin and so on. I invested less, but basically there was a difference of 8 cents, which included fees and stuff I didn't consider. So I ended up buying 4 coins, which I'd already had for $100 in my portfolio. So it seems I've bought each of these coins for $150. But no worries, next time I'll buy Litecoin, Zilnatron, Bitcoin Cash in total, investing in them for $100 and buy them again in the next issue. These coins are already at $150, so there's now a big skew in my portfolio towards the coins that I bought in today's episode, because in the last I bought the same ones, turns out, and I only saw it just now after started entering data. I won't sell them right now to buy other coins. Let these coins stay in my portfolio now with a slight skew. That's no big deal. I'll just resume my distribution in the next episode. So here's the portfolio on the screen. Let's open zero balances. Portfolio's on the screen. It's mirrored on the table. If I now due to my mistake sold these coins, bought the new ones I'd meant to buy today, I'd have to pay extra commission, albeit pennies, but still. Nevertheless, I'd have to invest less. Don't want to do that. So no biggie that I bought a bit earlier than planned. Current coins, well, turns out like this. My goal of $40 has already been hit. 2.4%. We see P&L in the negatives. A good scenario will be when my P&L will be below zero for a while, meaning I'm buying coins, which keep getting cheaper. I keep buying, they keep getting cheaper. My P&L just gets lower and lower, so I'm losing more and more money on paper. Like, if I sell these coins now, I'll be at a loss. And let's say coins take a big drop for a long time. They'll keep falling. I'll keep buying more and more. Then one day, roughly, kind of one day, let's say 1 month or within 6 months, coins will shoot up. All this P&L from the negative zone will rapidly shift to zero and then into the positive. When I have a lot of coins, I'll accumulate a lot of coins at the bottom. Even if that bottom constantly renews, I'll keep buying lots of coins. I'll have a lot of coins, they'll grow a lot, my goal achievement percentage will suddenly jump. So the ideal scenarios when, say, I invest my money, buy coins that are constantly falling, and let's say meet my goal by about 20%. And then because this time the coins were falling a lot, they'll grow, let's say 5-fold within a year, and I've already met my goal. It'll jump from 20% straight up to 100. I'll have my coveted $40,000, and in essence, 2.5% for achieving the goal for this column. It's a lot, eh? It's just because I chose a relatively small goal from my top-ups. So it turns out I invest like $400 a month. My goal's merely $40,000. It's just like about 100 months of investing even. If I hadn't bought crypto just after 100 months, I'd have saved $40. Here's the thing, the goal, it's intermediate naturally. Usually those who invest in crypto, they set much higher values before themselves, say, I don't know, $1 million. People want, but a more realistic down-to-earth value that can relatively soon already be on the balance. It's $40,000, so it turns out if crypto even now grows fivefold within a year. I'll already have 10%, even a bit more, if it even just quadruples. My goal will already be 10% reached. They're $4, not bad, not bad. Balance now's slightly less than 1,000, threw in a grand, excellent, excellent. I like the result, let's go. Further, and subscribe to the channel to follow this column, my account. How? It changes, develops, how I continually top up, buy more crypto on dips. So, yeah, subscribe, like I said, links below for more content there, Telegram, Instagram accounts where I give more information on markets, on the stock market, including investments on it, and on trading on the crypto market, which I mainly do. I only invest big money in crypto, only the stock market, only real estate, so a small experiment. You can watch it too, good luck, and don't forget that Binance cashback is 10% on all fees. Link below, open an account, sign up, good luck.